In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a wide-angle lens on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off let me show you where wide-angle lens located. On the back side of our device there are three lenses, that is iPhone 15 Pro, and the top lens is wide-angle lens, that is telephoto lens, and that is a regular or portrait lens. And then if we open up our camera, all we have to do to switch to wide-angle lens is just tap right here at dot 5, and it will immediately turn wide lens on. I think you got the difference between 24mm and wide angle. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.